hello from my food forest. So, beginning of April, time is running. We still have hot and humid days and nice and cooler evenings and nights. Humid, especially because we had lots of rain again and the temperatures are still quite high. We are here in the subtropics, by the way, if you are new to my channel, on the Fraser Coast. So yeah, lots is happening actually in the food forest, in the annual garden. Let's go, I will show you what's going on. I hope you enjoy and I will see you at the end of the video again. Let's start here at the end of the food forest number 2. Here, the self-pollinating yellow dragon fruit is just about to open its flower for the very first time. I only planted it a couple of months ago, so we will see. Maybe when we are lucky we have the very first yellow dragon fruit. When you remember last time, I think in the last video I showed you the lychee tree which I trimmed because it was just like a one stick, and look at this beautiful foliage now. So this baby exploded with new leaves and new growth. Really beautiful. So maybe finally we can see some fruit next season. Oh, and here the kumquat. It's loaded with fruit, just about to ripen. We love kumquat jam, especially with this variety. So this little tree or shrub is already about 3 meters high. Oh, and same regarding pruning, trimming. The soursop, I think it really liked the trimming. I also cut the top off. I still need to get rid of the dry bits here. And our wampy, same. I trimmed it and I can see lots and lots of new growth. The Washington navel orange. We have 2 oranges ripening for the very first time. And lots of beautiful new flowers appearing all over the tree. And the scent is, oh, it's just a dream. It's so beautiful. And also new foliage, new growth. Fantastic. This is the Cara Cara blood orange. We have few oranges ripening. No new flowers yet, but lots of new growth too. And low-cut, again new growth. It seems like it's getting new growth all the time, and also new flowers. Our annual garden. I've got some new cucumbers. The plants are looking very good and happy and healthy so far. Fingers crossed. Nothing will ruin them. And we have some cucumbers. It's getting a little bit cooler now, so we might be lucky. And some beetroot coming. In between I planted some garlic, but there is not much to see it. And somehow I am getting a bit worried, because it doesn't seem like it wants to come out a lot. We will see. Here one more garden bed to clean and to prepare for the new growth. As soon as I remove the beans here, which are growing really nicely. This garden bed doing well. So bok choy, I'm still harvesting lots of capsicums and the bok choy, and over there the China rose. Here the radishes doing very well. I'm getting a few leaves now and then for our sandwiches. We really like the fresh radish leaves. And yeah, here's some bok choy. And the tomatoes, it was very humid. That's why I think I lost one. The other two are doing all right, getting some flowers. And now, while it's getting a bit cooler, I hope for some tomatoes. Now, there's soursop. Had so many flowers this week, and still has some. I didn't pollinate any, and I really hope that these beauties will have some fruit and that the flowers got pollinated. There are still flowers opening. And already some of them lost their petals, so yeah, we will see in a week or two if the flowers got pollinated. Let's hope so. But the tree is beautiful and a really good size already. The bananas are not far off of being ripe, and there is another bunch ripening too. Pumpkin is still producing. Even though it's slowed down. My oiginias are doing very well. I think they like this place. Also lots of new growth. I have one garden bed ready, prepared for my cabbages. And also here there is some freshly planted celery and also some parsnip seeds in and some carrots. Just a couple of days ago, so nothing to see yet. We are harvesting the sweet potatoes. I already planted and put a new grow bag in here with some fresh cuttings. We are still harvesting the Ceylon Hill gooseberry already for like 2 months in a row now. And they are still young green fruit. And I just need to clean up the unwanted vines, but Ceylon Hill gooseberry doing very well. Lots of new growth too. The Kumquat Maiwa, the delicious sweet variety, is doing very well. I will have some more fruit than the last season. It's the second time fruiting now, but I need to clean up a little and cut off the cranberry hibiscus to give the kumquat more sun. So still cleaning, and like all of the overgrown plants and unwanted ones which are appearing out of nowhere all the time, like these ones for example, need to go too. But yeah, doing as the time allows. Let's have a quick look in my greenhouse or net house. So on this side, all the beautiful babies you can order in my online shop. And here on this side, the shade loving plants. Here the tree spinaches. Look at this one, needs a trim. The birds will love it. And some other plants in between. Also the chocolate chili, the habanero chocolate, getting new growth as well. So yeah, many different plants in here. I have some beautiful plants which are not listed yet, like the lovely star apple. I will get into it soon. The late and large rosella variety is very late this time. I also started late. And on this side, when you remember, oh, I have some rice, so the rice harvesting now regularly. And when you remember this little tiny baby moringa I planted in here from the pot, which was sitting for ages in a pot. You shouldn't do this. So yeah, has taken off and growing really nicely. I have 3 moringa trees growing in the food forest here. Overgrown and chaotic in here. I have to get in and clean up. Now really hoping with the cooler weather I can do more during the day in the garden, because with the humidity and the heat it wasn't really possible. Yes, more of the dragon fruit here. This is the beautiful red pink variety, self-pollinating. I have plants and cuttings in the shop too available. And here in the food forest number 1. Tons of limes. A beautiful blue pigeon wings. The apple trees are doing well. Some new growth, even though I can just see here. I need to get some white oil to make some white oil. And look, so urgently spray here. But all over, all the trees are doing pretty well. The fig tree recovered after the last bugs infection and got lots of new growth, and all the trees are doing very nice. But no fruit here in this food forest for now. The star fruits are finished, apart from the delicious passion fruit, the Panama red, which is still producing. Other than this, I urgently need to do some mowing, maybe harvesting some of the lemongrass before winter to dehydrate and for tea. Oh, this poor custard apple. Nothing really happening at the moment. I think I will have to protect it during winter because it's still very weak, even though showing some growth. But I am not very happy with this tree at the moment. Tamarillo showing new growth. Generally, I'm very happy with everything here, how it's doing, how it's growing. Now, as we're coming into the cooler months, I'm looking forward to the annuals and to the citrus fruit, which are ripening nicely. And I'm looking forward to the cooler days, so I can do more during the day and enjoy the beautiful sunshine. That's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Or just let me know what's happening in your garden now during this time of the year and in the place where you are. So I hopefully see you again. Good luck with all your gardening projects and any other projects. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.